Hey, what is up guys, back here with another video, and today I am going to be unboxing this HP Elite Display E223. So, without any further ado, let's get started. All the parts right out here, laying on the floor. So, let's start building. So once we open the box, we do see a lot of things. So the first thing that I see is the Visa mount, and it looks pretty sturdy, not gonna lie. And it feels a lot sturdier than my monitor stand. So after that, we do see many cables, including HDMI to HDMI, DisplayPort to DisplayPort, some kind of third-party connector to USB 3, I think, and VGA to VGA. Plus, we also do get a power plug for the monitor. Now, since we have everything out on the table, let's start building. So building everything was actually very easy. The only hard part was taking all the wrapper off of the Visa mount and the monitor itself. Otherwise, everything was simple and easy. So putting the Visa mount on the monitor was, like 2 clicks away and 2 seconds and you're done. And it's pretty sturdy, not gonna lie. So this HP panel is a 22-inch panel with 1080p and 60 Hz. This also has a cherry on top, which is a 5,000,000:1 contrast ratio on, well, the IPS panel, which is actually very hard to get to. So that's going to be it for this video, and I'll be testing this panel out in part 2 of this video and hooking it to my computer to see how good the contrast ratio is on this panel. So anyways guys, that's going to be it. If you like this video, like it. If you love this video, smash the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss a single video of mine. Plus, follow me on my Twitter account. That's going to be linked right below the like button. Hit updates on more videos coming soon, and even this video and the next one of part 2. So anyways guys, that's going to be it. Peace.